Welcome to our explainer. Today, we are tackling a huge question. In a world of just overwhelming complexity, like trading, how do you actually achieve consistent, high-level performance? It's a journey, really, that starts inside your own head and ends with a partnership with artificial intelligence. All right, let's get into it.
So I want you to just look at this number for a second. 80%. It's one of those numbers that really makes you pause, especially when you find out what it's for.
Yep, that's right. In high-stakes fields, research points to the fact that a whopping 80% of success is all about psychology. It's not about the fancy software or even the specific strategy. It's about the mental game. You could have the most brilliant system on the planet, but if your own emotions override it, it's basically worthless. And that tells us something really important. The real battle isn't out there in the market, it's right between your ears.
Which, of course, leads to the big question, right? If we know that our own mind is the key, why is it so incredibly difficult to stay in control? Why do so many of us get stuck in the same cycles, making the same mistakes? And why is that true, consistent mastery so hard to find?
Well, that brings us to the foundation, the first layer. You have to master your mindset. Before you even dream of mastering a complex system or a market, you have to master the person running it. And that person is you. It's all about building the self-awareness to know not just what you're doing, but the deep-down why behind it.
And this quote just hits the nail on the head. That huge, gut-wrenching loss, it wasn't just a random bit of bad luck. It was a piece of data. It was a signal flare telling you that something in your psychological process just broke. And if you don't do the hard work of figuring out what that was it fear, greed, overconfidence? You're pretty much guaranteed to make the exact same mistake again.
So how do you actually build that awareness in the heat of the moment? Well, one really practical tool is something called the emotional temperature scale. Think of it this way. Cool is your sweet spot. You're calm, you're objective, you're making rational calls. Warm is when you feel that little tug of emotion. Maybe your focus starts to slip. At hot, things are getting intense. Fear or greed are really starting to call the shots. And out of control, well, it's exactly what it sounds like. Your rational brain has left the building. Now, the goal isn't to be a robot who never feels anything. The real skill is learning to notice when your temperature is rising so you can step back before you get to that point of no return.
And the ultimate goal here, the absolute peak of this first layer, is to develop what we can call stress immunity. This is when you get to a place where a crazy, volatile market doesn't send you into a panic. Instead, you just see it as a normal, expected part of the game, something you're totally prepared for. You're not reacting emotionally. You're operating based on a plan. But, a strong mindset is just the beginning. You have to pair it with a system you can trust.
So once you start getting a handle on your internal world, you need an external framework to guide your actions. And that brings us to layer 2, mastering your method. Think of a really solid, well-defined system as the vehicle that lets you drive through the chaos of the markets without getting constantly pulled off the road by your own emotional baggage.
Just look at the difference here. When you're making decisions based on emotion, you're always reacting. It's inconsistent, it's draining, and it's totally biased. But a systematic approach? That's proactive. It's built on repeatable rules that take emotion out of the equation, and over time, build real discipline. It means you're making your big decisions when you're in that cool state, not when the market is hot.
I love this idea, inspired by traders like Jesse Livermore. It's a huge mental shift. The objective isn't about the ego trip of being right every single time. That's a trap. The real goal is to have a system that lets you make a ton of money when you are right. It gives you the structure you need to press your winners with confidence.
So what does a winning method actually look like? Well, these principles from the legendary investor William O'Neill show you. There's a real theme here. Be aggressively proactive. You don't just sit on your hands. You average up into your winners. You actively trim what's not working, selling your worst position to free up capital for a better idea. The whole point is that a written plan is more than just a list of ideas. It's like a contract you make with yourself. And actually following it, that's a profound act of self-respect.
Okay, so we've worked on the mind. We've built the method. Now we get to the really exciting part, the new frontier of performance. This is layer 3, the AI co-pilot. This is where we go beyond a static rulebook to a dynamic partner that actually learns and grows right alongside you.
The magic behind this is a technology called Retrieval Augmented Generation, or just RAG. Now, the simplest way to think about it is this. You take a really powerful general AI, like a large language model, and you give it a private expert library to read. You're basically connecting this massive brain to a super specialized knowledge base. It makes the AI's answers incredibly precise and relevant for a specific task.
And this tech allows for a totally new kind of coaching model. Here's how it works. First, you've got the LLM. That's the core engine. Second, you connect it to what's called a core RAG. This is the expert library, full of proven strategies. This is the part that knows the rules. Third, and this is where it gets amazing, it builds an individual RAG just for you. It learns your unique patterns, your habits, your psychological triggers. This is the part that knows you. And finally, what it learns from you can then be used to make the core knowledge base even better for everybody.
So what you end up with is something way beyond a simple tool. You get an AI partner that is a true expert on the method, but is also a true expert on you. It knows the rules, it knows how you break the rules, and it's constantly learning how to help you get better.
So when you put all of this together, where do you end up? Well, when you combine these 3 layers, you get a completely integrated stack for what it means to perform at a high level in this century. It's not about any single piece anymore. It's about how they all connect.
Let's break it down like this. Layer 1, mastering your mindset. That makes you the disciplined pilot who can handle the pressure. Layer 2, mastering your method. That gives you the robust vehicle, a system you can rely on. And Layer 3, the AI co-pilot, well, that's your advanced navigation system, giving you real-time, personalized guidance to stay on course. Any one of these is powerful, but all 3 working together, that's the whole game.
And that leaves us with one last, pretty mind-bending question to think about. As these AI systems get better and better, as they really do become our partners, our strategists, and our coaches, what's it even going to mean to be an expert? What human skills become the most valuable when the machine knows the rules better than we ever could? That's a huge question for the future of performance. Thanks for digging into this with us.